How's it going, YouTube? Got me a Christmas present today. The Sunex half-inch drive impact set 10 through 36. Really happy with these. Didn't have any shallow impacts. Half-inch drive. I had, had this crap, Harbor Freight. Just a bunch of random sizes that annoys me. Doesn't really bother me that it's Harbor Freight. Bothers me that the sizes aren't all there. They skip. That bugs me really bad. Alright, before this, I had this choppy set of Pittsburgh Deeps. These are actually pretty thick. Seem pretty strong. Chrome vanadium though. Replace those with another cheap brand, Medico. Chrome vanadium. They're pretty thin. They're getting to more places, but didn't have any shallows. And the great thing about this set, if you check the box out, 10 through 36, no skips. Makes me so happy. Part number 2645. And these are chrome moly, which is stronger than chrome vanadium. For anybody that didn't know that. Made in Taiwan. These have been out for a while, so I'm sure a bunch of people already got them. But I didn't. Let's see what... They come with oil all over them, which is a good thing. It's got the size printed on there, which comes off after a while. But the great thing is it's got it etched in there, etched in there also. And what else we got? They're pretty thick. They seem pretty strong. There's one thing that was bugging me about them. All the labels aren't in the same places. Like, that's where the hole's at. It's to the left. That one doesn't have a hole. But, see, this one's right on. The light's not too great. Neither is it there. Did you see? They could have at least got that right. I mean, that's not a big deal, but quality control, I guess you could call it. Other than that, I don't really see anything worth complaining about. A couple of them have a little bit of nicks out of them, but overall, I'm extremely happy. Usually these sets are outrageous. They had it on sale for, I think, 75, 80 bucks, something like that. And it goes all the way up to 36. And I know if you got a Jeep, your axle nut on that is 36. So if you buy just these last 4 sockets individually, they're like over $20 a piece, even for the cheap brands. So this is worth the money. I mean, it's not Snap-on or Mac or nothing, but under DIY use, this is a great set. So pick them up if you need some. Amazon. Like and subscribe.